Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here to show you how to make an increase in brick stitch using ladder stitch. So here you can see I have an assortment of freeform brick stitch projects that all use increases and decreases to varying degrees. For this one, it's average increases and decreases, no extensions necessary. But for these sorts of projects that have the little embellishments or wings, legs, those sorts of things, this technique that I'm going to show you is very useful for making those extensions past the average length of your row. So I have a little sample swatch here that's using size 10-0 Miyuki Delica beads. These are all size 11-0 for the project, but I went a bit larger for the demonstration. So you can see here I have decreases and increases that are normal for brick stitch, and I'm coming out of my orange row, and I'm going to extend that in the normal way. I've taken a bead up and I'm coming down through the previous row and up. Get myself up again into my current row and through that edge bead. Now to bring that out in ladder stitch, I'm going to take another bead up and come through that edge bead to add another one on. And it's just like that. So now I have a longer row of brick stitch using ladder stitch. And just to illustrate, I'll take another one and come through again, weaving on in ladder stitch, like so. Now if I were to build on this in brick stitch, I would simply come up to the other side of those beads and take on my next two beads in the same manner as if I were starting another row of brick stitch. Coming through, lining those beads up, and fastening them on. So that's how you would create extensions and embellishments along the edges of your brick stitch forms. And all of these projects and supplies are available at Beadaholique.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.